Okay, today I'm going to do sort of the white glove test. I want to answer a question that I don't understand, and it has to do with two vehicles. Both these vehicles were just driven on an 800-mile vacation. One of them is a 2014 Honda CR-V. The other one's a 2006 Ford E150. I'm going to check the exhaust pipe because there's going to be a radical difference. So first, the inside of it, it's absolutely clean. Now let's look at the 2014 CR-V. It's very sooty. Why? I wanted to show you one other thing about the oil too. This car has probably has 3,000 miles on this oil, but it's dark. Now let's go to the Ford. Go around this way. It's hard to find these fans. Now look at this oil. Absolutely yellow. It's clear. When I put it on that, it absolutely goes clear. This oil's probably got 1,200 miles on it. An 06. So what is making that difference? I have one other example. It's not just Honda, because I have an 04 Honda Odyssey. I'll use the Ford. It's also clean. That's an 04, and this car has 100,000 miles on it. So my question is, why is this car apparently running so dirty when it's a brand new car? And but I know that there's a lot of other new cars that also have sooty tailpipes. In fact, I think it's rare. These clean tailpipes are somewhat rare, but they do occur, and I don't know why. Okay, that's all I have right now.